Hey Flamingos, we just wanted to do a quick video because I wanted to up my bitters game. So I ordered from a place in New Orleans, kind of interesting because tomorrow's Fat Tuesday, but I ordered from a place called El Guapo and I just got the box. And I just wanted to do this video because they sent me the most amazingly packed box that I've ever seen in my whole life. First of all, and I'm just gonna do it quick. First of all, it comes in this great box, and then stuff is wrapped in this, and there's like all these like cheese doodle type things inside of here. Then inside of that was this box, and that has all the bitters in it. So these are the bitters that I got. I got cucumber lavender, Cuban, holiday pie, and chicory pecan. Now, I wanted to get different things because I wanted to, test them on different drinks. So this is why I got like this combination pack. But it comes in this beautiful little box, which I'm so like overly impressed. The other thing that came, I got a couple of other things. This, I have never seen anything like this in my whole life. And I get, so excited over the weirdest things. It's like these things, this is Creole Orgeat. It comes in this like amazing little cryo pack thing. I'm so impressed with these people. I'm already impressed. And what else did I get? I got Tonic Syrup. So I'm gonna make my own tonic water. It has, it has the cinchona bark in it, and so I'm gonna make my own tonic water, which is so darn cool. They also gave me a little koozie and a couple, 3-4 of these things for your drinks. So this company, I can't even tell you how happy I am. And I've had like some, sad days in the past couple of years. This is a happy, happy day for Flamingo Dog. Yay, El Guapo!